To avoid overflowing the toilet while adding water to the bowl, add water slowly and deliberately so you never trigger a full flush. When adding water, lift the handle only slightly so the flapper or flush valve opens just enough to let a controlled amount of water enter the bowl. Practice the light touch a few times to learn how much movement equals a small flow. If your toilet handle does not allow a partial opening, try adding water from a bucket or pitcher held near the bowl rim and pour slowly while watching the water line rise. Aim the pour near the back of the bowl so the water disperses and avoid sudden siphoning of the trap. Add water in short bursts and pause to let the bowl settle between pours so you can see whether the level is approaching the rim. Keep a towel or mop on hand and place absorbent pads or a folded towel on the floor around the base before you start to catch any drips or splashes. If your bowl still rises quickly, stop immediately and use a plunger to relieve pressure before adding more water. Common mistakes include lifting the handle fully, which completes the flush and causes a fast surge of water. So instead, always use a gentle touch or pour directly from a vessel. Another issue is pouring too quickly from a height, which can push water into the trap and cause overflow. So pour slowly and close to the bowl surface. A third problem is not having towels ready, which turns a small spill into a messy cleanup. So place absorbent material before you begin and keep a bucket handy to remove excess water. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work related to home repairs and maintenance, including preventing plumbing messes. We also host a discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and learn practical, real-world approaches from other homeowners and professionals.